Yes, this smartwatch is waterproof. I was supplied this smartwatch by ANCwear for me to review, and this is my honest review. This is not in the Apple Watch category, but if you've looked at Fitbit, then maybe that's more appropriate. In the package there is a manual, which I did refer to. There is a magnetic charging cable. There is the watch strap, and of course there is the watch. You'll also need a smartphone for this, and you need to download the Fit app, and once you've linked this up with your smartwatch, this will set the time. A switch on the side of the smartwatch. Once you've done that, it shows the time, and if you press and hold, touch and hold the screen, you can then cycle through different screens for the watch. Some digital and some sort of analog. Once you've got the time showing, you can swipe right, and this will show you all the apps, and there is actually 23 apps you've got. Everything from heart rate, taking a picture with your camera, to a calculator. Swipe down reveals the settings screen, and if you press the cog, this is where you can alter your display time, vibration and various other things. Swipe left and you cycle through all your apps one at a time. Swipe up and it shows you the notifications from your smartphone. That's of course if you set them up. You're in the market for a fitness smartwatch, then this is well worth considering. It's extremely value for money, and from what I can see, all the other competitors are quite a bit more. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and we'll see you again next time.